I know you people are worried about dual employment. Past few weeks, I'm suggesting one wonderful thing. Okay, there is a new progress, positive progress in dual employment. MNC's people will focus on your dual employment profile, considering dual employment profile. Okay, in your previous organization, if your background verification failed because of dual employment, you did one mistake. Okay, always I am suggesting good things. Okay, in order to resolve your issues is very challenging in dual employment. Okay, I am suggesting two way of approach in dual employment. I think that is the only two ways in order to address your dual employment. Okay, and dual employment is not good thing, and always I'm educating you people. I will not encourage dual employment. Okay, there is a progress I can sensible in the MNCs in background verification, especially for dual employment. As I mentioned, I am suggesting two ways. Okay, in order to give suggestion on dual employment, to go or to address your background verification. Okay, so many people are misusing our channel. Okay, they are publishing the tricks in Instagram as well as Facebook, and in this videos comment also. That is why I disabled the comments. Okay, if you are really worried about dual employment, okay, you can approach to me. Definitely I will give you the suggestion how to take it forward for future job. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.